Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sridhar, Chemistry Faculty in Gurudev Pure Science College. Here I am discussing Chemistry K-CET paper 2024. Come to the first question. Yes, in the reaction between moist SO2 and acidified permanganate solution. Here we need to answer which one is undergo oxidation and which one is undergo reduction. So first take reaction. KMnO4 react with SO2 in the presence of water. It will give K2SO4 and MnSO4 along with the formation of sulfuric acid. Here the oxidation state of MnSO4, that is +7, it changes into the Mn+2, and oxidation of sulfur is changes from +4 to the +6. Here the sulfur is undergo oxidizes, nothing but as here SO2 is oxidizes to SO4 -2 and MnO4 -1 is reduced to Mn+2. So the answer is 1. Next, go to the next question. Which one of the following property generally is not applicable for ionic hydride? So which one is not applicable for ionic hydride property? See, the volatile property. So volatile property is not applicable for ionic hydride. So answer is 4. That. Go to the next question. Which one of the following nitrate will decompose to give NO2 on heating? Among the given 4 options, lithium nitride will give NO2 on heating. Here lithium nitrate on decomposing, it will give lithium oxide along with formation of 4 molecules of NO2 it will give. So option 4 is the right answer. Next, go to the next question. Which of the following halide cannot be hydrolyzed? Here among the 4 options, CCl4 is cannot be hydrolyzed because here CCl4 it is having absence of vacant d orbital in carbon atom. That is the reason why CCl4 cannot be hydrolyzed. Next question. In the analysis of third group basic radical of salts, the purpose of adding ammonium chloride to the ammonium hydroxide. Here ammonium chloride is added to the ammonium hydroxide. Here because of the common ion such as ammonium ion. Okay, now here the answer is to suppress the dissociation of ammonium hydroxide is the right answer. Next, go to the next question. The solubility product of CaC2O4 at a given temperature in a pure water is 4 into 10 to the power of -9 unit. So the solubility of CaC2O4 at the same temperature is, here we need to find out the solubility. Here that CaC2O4 on dissociating, it will become a Ca+2 and C2O4 -2. Here there are 2 solubility products are there. Then the formula is Ksp is equal to S into S. Then Ksp is equal to S square. Then S is equal to square root of Ksp. Here they given already the Ksp value. Substitute the Ksp value. Then S is equal to square root of 4 into 10 to the power of -9. On substituting the value, on removing the square, you will get the answer, that is the 4.3 into 10 to the power of -5. So the right answer is first. What is the next question? For the rate of reaction, the reaction, that is PCl5 is giving rise to PCl3 and Cl2. The rate and rate constant. So this is the value of rate, that is R is equal to 1.02 into 10 to the power of -4 mole per liter per second, and the rate constant, that is K value, is K is equal to 3.4 into 10 to the power of -5 per second respectively at a given instant. The molar concentration of the PCl5 at that instant is, so we need to find the answer. We know the formula that rate of reaction is equal to rate constant into the concentration of the reactant. then concentration, molar concentration of the reactant is equal to the rate of reaction divided by rate constant. So substitute the value. So already I substituted the concentration, that is PCl5 is equal to 1.02 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 3.4 into 10 to the power of minus 5. On simplifying, we are going to get the value 3 moles per liter. So the option 2 is the right answer. Go to the next question. Which one of the following does not represent the Arrhenius equation? Here they given 4 Arrhenius equation. Among that one is the wrong Arrhenius representation is there. That is 4th option, because here they not given minus. So K is equal to A into E to the power of EA divided by RT is given in the 4th option. Actually they should write minus. That is the right answer, right option. But here they are asking the does not represent Arrhenius equation. That is the 4th option is not the Arrhenius equation, because of the they not represent minus here. Go to the next question. Yes. Identify the incorrect statement. This question is from the deleted portion, that is surface chemistry. Well, among the 4 options, the incorrect statement is 4th option. The Brownian moment is due to the balanced bombardment of the molecule of a dispersion medium on the collide they given. Actually, here there is no balanced bombardment, it is imbalanced bombardment. So that's the reason why the incorrect option is the 4th. Next, come to the next question. For the coagulation positively charged hydrated ferric oxide sol, the flocculating power of ions is in the order. Here they are asking the flocculating power. We know the first statement, the conceptual statement, the flocculating power is directly proportional to the charge. Greater the charge, greater the flocculating power. Here FeCN6 taken, Cn taken 6 to the power minus 4. Here minus 4 is the greater charge. That is the reason it is having a more flocculating power, and it is in decreasing order. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1 charge. This is a decreasing order. So right answer is 4th option. Go to the next question. See, gold sol is not. This question is also from the deleted portion, that is a surface chemistry. Here gold sol is not it is not a macromolecules. Okay, right answer is first. Go to the next question. The incorrect statement about all Erlord process. So this question is also belongs to the metallurgy. It is also a deleted portion. Here we need to find out the incorrect statement. The incorrect statement is the 4th option, because the oxidation state of oxygen changes in the overall cell reaction. See, oxidation state changes in the overall reaction they are given, but actually oxidation state of oxygen is not changes in the overall cell reaction. That's the reason why 4th option is the incorrect statement. Go to the next question. Select the correct statement. Here, these are the questions which are from metallurgy topic. This is also deleted portion. So we need to find out the correct statement. Here among the 4 options, the correct statement is 4th option, that is calcination of calcium carbonate is endothermic. Yes, of course, it is a correct statement. So right answer is 4th. Go to the next question. NO2 gas is. So a nitrogen dioxide, that NO2 gas, it is a brown color and it is an acidic in nature. So the right answer is 3rd. Yes, go to the next question. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. Yes, this is a question from the environmental chemistry. Here, the oxides of nitrogen in the atmosphere can cause us a depletion of ozone. So, ozone depletion is not from the nitrogen or oxides of nitrogen. See here, the incorrect statement itself is first, because here ozone depletion takes place by the CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, not by nitrogen oxides. See, this nitrogen oxide actually, okay, it causes the acid rain. So, the incorrect statement is first. Well, go to the next question. The correct decreasing order of boiling point of hydrogen halide is. Here, the order of boiling point of hydrogen halide is in this following order. Hydrogen fluoride is more than the hydrogen iodide, then hydrogen bromide, then hydrogen chloride. So, this is a decreasing order of the boiling point of hydrogen halides. Go to the next question. Yes. The synthetically produced radioactive noble gas by collision of this CF with this calcium. So, which radioactive produce is produced? That is, adenosine is an radioactive element which is produced from these two elements. So, option 3 is the right answer. Then go to the next question. The transition element, that is 5% present with the lanthanide metal in a mixed metal. So, which is the element which is present to produce the mixed metal along by adding lanthanides? Here, we are going to add the 5%, that is iron we are going to add. So, mixed metal is an alloy of lanthanide metal. So, lanthanide will be present 94 to 95% and iron will be present 5%. And the remaining traces of elements like carbon, sulfur, silicon, calcium, etc. are present. So, the answer is second. Go to the next question. Match the following. Zn plus 2, Ca plus 2, Ni plus 2. Here, Zn plus 2, it is a colorless. It is a colorless. Next, the Cu plus 2. So, it is having a magnetic momentum, that is 1.73, because Cu plus 2. Cu plus 2, it is having only one unpaired of electron. That's the reason it shows magnetic momentum, that is 1.73 MB. And Ni plus 2, it will show a D8 configuration. So, the right answer is a second. Go to the next question. Yes. Which of the following statement related to lanthanoid is incorrect? Which one is incorrect? Among the given 4 options, the 4th option is incorrect because the color of lanthanide ion in the solution is due to the DD transition. See here color of the lanthanide ion in the solution is not from the DD transition, it is from the FF transition. So, the given statement 4th option is wrong. That's what the right answer. The incorrect statement is a 4th one. Go to the next question. Well, fine. Here, on treating 100 ml of 0.1 molar aqueous solution of complex CrCl3 and 6 hydrated, that is 6 H2O molecules with excess of NO3, that is 2.86 grams of AgCl was obtained. The complex is. Here, we need to find out the structure of the compound, the molecular formula of the complex when CrCl3.6 H2O molecules is react with the AgNO3. It's a very simple complex. When hexahydrated chromium chloride is reacted with excess of AgNO3, it will give AgCl as a byproduct. Along with it will give the complex like CrH2O taken 5 Cl, put a square bracket, Cl2 dot H2O. So this is the complex which is formed, okay, now by reacting these two reactants. So the right answer is third, that is CrH2O penta aqua chlorido-chromate. So this is a complex. Go to the next question. Yes. The complex compound, that is a CONH3 taken 5 SO4 Br and CONH3 taken 5 Br SO4R. Here it is belongs to which type of isomers? Here these are the two compounds are having the same molecular formula but only differ in the ions inside the sphere and outside the sphere. Here Br is present in this structure, Br is present outside the sphere, and in this structure Br is present inside the sphere. So that is the reason why it is belongs to the ionization isomers. Well, go to the next question. Which of the following statement are true about CO F6 minus 3 ion? Point number 1. The complex has octahedral geometry. Yes, of course, it is an octahedral geometry because CO F6 are there. That fluorine is a weak field ligand. Okay, and this cobalt is bonded with the 6 ligands. That is the reason it is a octahedral complex. Point number 2. Coordination number of CO is 3. Coordination number of cobalt is not 3. The value is 6. The coordination number of the cobalt is 6. That's what the second statement is wrong. Next, the complex is sp3d2 hybridization. Yes, the complex it will shows sp3d2 hybridization because fluorine is a weak field ligand. The last point, it is a high spin complex. It is a high spin complex. Of course, because of the fluorine is a weak field ligand, as a result, it is a high spin complex. So the right options are first, third, and fourth. So the right answer is second option. Go to the next question. A alloalkane undergo SN2 or SN1 reaction depending on. Here these SN1 and SN2 reactions are depending upon the nature of solvent in the reaction. So solvent used in the reaction. So based upon it is dependent. So that is the reason why the option is first. Go to the next question. Here 2-methyl propane can be prepared by Wood's reaction. The alloalkane take along with the metallic sodium and dry ether R. Here we need to prepare the 2-methyl propane. Then how do you prepare the 2-methyl propane? It's a very simple. So methyl chloride react with the sodium in the presence of along with another one more reactant, that is CH3, CH, CH3, and here just I will write as a Cl. In the presence of dry ether. Here these two molecules of Na combine with these 2 molecules of chlorine, so resulting in the formation of 2 molecules of NaCl along with the formation of the product that is CH3 single bond CH, and here also CH3 and CH3. The name of the product is 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane can be prepared from the chloromethane and 2-chloropropane. So the answer is first chloromethane and 2-chloropropane. Yes. Go to the next question. In the following scheme of reaction, X, Y, and Z respectively are. Yes. Here C2H5Cl. When this reactant is reacted with X, it will give C2H5 fluorine. The fluorination takes place only by the reaction of Hg to F2. Next, when this chloroethane is reacted with Y, it will give us ethene. So here we need to take a dehydrating agent or else a dehydrohalogenation, that is by alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH is act as a dehydrohalogenation takes place, resulting in the formation of alkene. Next, another one. The chloroethane is reacted with Z, it gives an C4H10. So for that one, it is under Wood's reaction. So to carry out in a Wood's reaction, I will take sodium in dry ether. So the answer third is the right option. Go to the next question. 8.8 grams of monohydric alcohol added to ethyl magnesium iodide in ether liberates 2240 centimeter cube of ethane at STP. This monohydric alcohol, when oxidizes using a pyridinium chlorochromate, the alcohol is here 8.8 grams of monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol required approximately 2240 cm cube of that is Grignard reagent is required. Here for 8.8 grams of monohydric alcohol required this much of Grignard reagent. Then what about 22,400 ml or cm cube of Grignard reagent requires how much then? On simplifying, we are going to get 88 grams. What is the molecular mass of the 88 grams here? That is 2,2-dimethyl propanol. Okay, is the molecule having a molecular mass 88 gram, and it is a primary alcohol. It is an oxidation. It will give aldehyde. This aldehyde will give further reaction to give the product. Anyhow, for the given among the given option, 2,2-dimethyl propanol is the right option because its molecular mass is 88. Go to the next question. Yes. When tertiary alcohol A reacts with 20% of H3PO4 at 358 Kelvin, it gives the compound C4H8 as a major product. The IUPAC name of the compound B is. Here, when tertiary alcohol, nothing but as this is a tertiary alcohol. When this tertiary alcohol is treated with the reactant that is H3PO4. H3PO4, it removes the hydrogen. It removes the water hydrogen. So resulting in the formation of here there is one hydrogen. It removes these are two hydrogens. So resulting in the formation of alkene. Which alkene? The IUPAC name of this alkene is 2-methyl propene. This is a 2-methyl propene. This is 1, 2 and 3. So 2-methyl propene is the right answer. So the option 4th is the right option. Next, go to the next question. PCC is, how do you prepare the PCC? PCC means pyridinium chlorochromate. This pyridinium chlorochromate is a complex. It is prepared from chromium trioxide with the pyridine and HCl. Comes the last question. Propanone and propanol is an example of. So propanone means it is a ketone. It is a ketone. Next, propanol. Propanol nothing but as it is an aldehyde, that is a CH3, CH2, CH2. So these are the isomers having same molecular formula but differ only in the functional group. That's the reason why it belongs to what? Functional isomerism. Yes, the remaining questions is continued by our colleague.
Hello everyone, myself Sunil. Now I will start discussing the remaining part of the questions. Let's start with question number 31. Here, sodium ethanoate on eating with soda lime. So soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So this reaction we also known as decarboxylation reaction. So here it gives methane as the product. So sodium ethanoate is a salt of carboxylic acid. When it reacts with soda lime, it gives alkanes with one less number of carbon containing product. So here number of carbons are 2, but obtained product is 1 carbon, that is alkane. The same compound is subjected to electrolysis. Then we get even number of carbon containing alkanes. This reaction is also known as coal-base reaction. Okay, so here X and Y are option 1, that is methane and ethane. Now I will move on to second question, means 32. Here but-1 on reaction with dilute sulfuric acid in the presence of mercuric ions at 333 Kelvin gives. Okay, here structure of but-1 is here. When it reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, it forms enol. So in means double bond and OL means alcohol. It undergo converted into ketonic form. So this is keto enol form. So this type of reaction we call it as tautomerism. Next, I will move on to question number 33. Biologically active adrenaline and ephedrine used to increase blood pressure. It contains. So this is a deleted portion topic. So answer for this question is second option. So both adrenaline and ephedrine contains secondary amino groups. Okay, now we'll move on to next question. In the reaction Q is, okay, here reaction is given. Aniline, when it reacts with sodium nitrite in the presence of dilute HCl, so this is Sandmeyer's reaction. So Sandmeyer's ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ normally product ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Benzene diazonium chloride, and it is followed by phenol in the presence of NaOH. So this is coupling reaction. The product obtained is para hydroxyazobenzene. So answer for this question is option 3. Next question is, the female sex hormone which is responsible for the development of secondary female characteristics and participates in the control of menstrual cycle is obviously estradiol is the female sex hormone, and testosterone is the male sex hormone. So I will move on to next question. The type of linkage present between nucleotides is, so nucleotide is a mixture of pentose sugar, nitrogenous bases and phosphate group. So here the linkage present is phosphodiester linkage. So this is from Biomolecules chapter. Next question is, alpha D glucose and beta D glucose are, so they are collectively called as anomers. So based on carbonyl carbon in glucose, so that carbonyl carbon anta helidre that is aldehyde group carbon. So if it contains OH group on right hand side, so that is called as alpha glucose. If OH group is attached to carbonyl carbon on left hand side, that compound is considered as beta form. These two compounds collectively called as anomers. Next question. Which of the following set of polymers are used as fiber? So this is deleted portion topic. The chapter name is polymer. So answer for this question is third option. So third option means terylene and orlan both are used as fibers. So here orlan is an artificial silk. Next I will move on to next question. The compound is, so this is grace marks question. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, which of the following is cationic detergent? So this question is from surface chemistry and deleted portion topic. So answer for this question is option 1. Next question, for which one of the following mixture is composition uniform throughout? So this is also surface chemistry topic question. Surface chemistry topic means that is a deleted portion. So answer for this question is fourth option. So dilute aqueous solution, because it forms a true solution. Next, the energy associated with first orbit of helium. So this question is from structure of atom. The energy associated with first orbit of helium. So here we know the formula. Energy associated with any orbit for hydrogen or hydrogen like atoms is given by En is equal to minus RH into Z square by N square. So here RH means Rydberg constant, its value is minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18. So Z square means atomic number and N means orbit number. Here atomic number of helium is 2. So 2 means 2 square, and helium for first orbit of helium, then value of N is 1. So 2 square means 4, 4 2s are 8. So second option is the correct one. So after simplification you get the second one. I will move on to next question. A metalloid is, so obviously antimony is the metalloid. Antimony, boron, silicon, germanium, so polonium and astatine. So these are considered as metalloids. Metalloids means they have the properties of both metal and non-metallic character. Next question is, the pair of isoelectronic species having bond order 1 is. So we know isoelectronic species means species are having same number of electrons. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಐಸೋಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಶೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ನೌ N2 ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಸ್ 3. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಸ್ 3. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ F2 means it is its valency is 1 fluorine, its bond order is 1, but O2 means its bond order. I have one simple trick. N2 it contains 14 electrons, right? So its bond order is 3. Any species if it contains 15 electrons means bond order is 2.5. If any species contains 16 electrons means bond order is 2.0, 17 means bond order is 1.5, 18 means bond order is 1. So correct option for this question is option 3. I will move on to next question. Identify the wrong relation for real gases. So this question is from deleted topic, that is states of matter. So here incorrect option is this one, first one, because correct option ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ V real gas by V ideal gas. Next I will move on to another question. So question number 47 from the diagram. Okay, so this question is from thermodynamics topic. So here enthalpy change for the reaction from C to A is asking. So here this is based on S law topic. S law. So S law means, okay, so enthalpy change for a reaction, if it takes place in one step or number of steps, it remains same. So here A to B, so this is decomposition reaction. Here enthalpy change value is positive, means endothermic in nature, and B to C, this is also enthalpy value is positive, endothermic in nature. So overall changes from A to C is 10 plus 25 means 35 kilojoule per mole. So A to C ge simple. A to C is endothermic in nature, means absorption of heat takes place. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 35 ಕಿಲೋಜೌಲ್ ಪರ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಟು ಎ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೋಥರ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಸಿ ಟು ಎ ಹಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3, that is minus 35 joule. Now I will move on to next question. The vapor pressure of solution containing 18 gram of glucose and 178.2 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius. The vapor pressure of pure water is given at 100 degrees Celsius 760 torr. Okay, so this question is from solution topic. So here we have the formula. The vapor pressure of solution is equal to P naught into X means mole fraction. So mole fraction anta helidre it means number of moles of one component by total number of moles of all the components. Here 18 gram of glucose, this is the solute, and 178.2 gram of water is solvent. So here P naught means vapor pressure of pure solvent is given 760 torr. Okay, Na means number of moles of component. Number of moles means mass by molar mass. So after substituting the values we get 752.4 torr. So correct option is answer 2. Next question is, a mixture of phenol and aniline shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. This is due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond. So we know interaction between AA and BB, if it is less than interaction between AB, then solution shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. This is due to formation of the strong intermolecular force of attraction between solute and solvent. So correct option is option 3. Next question, which of the following pairs will show positive deviation from Raoult's law? Positive deviation means the solute and solvent interaction, if it is less than solute or solvent, then solution will show positive deviation from Raoult's law. So that means benzene and methanol, the interaction between benzene and methanol is very less compared to, so benzene and methanol. That's why correct option is answer 2. Next question. How many coulombs are required to oxidize 0.1 mole of oxygen to 0.1 mole of H2O to oxygen? So here 1 mole of oxygen will oxidize to produce 2 electrons. 2 electrons is nothing but 2 Faraday current. So 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 coulomb. So 1 mole water oxidize adre, so 2 Faradays to current na produce madidre, here they asking 0.1 mole of water molecules oxidize adre ಎಷ್ಟು Faraday current produce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get 1.93 into 10 power 4. So second option is the correct option. Okay, next question. A current of 3 ampere is passed through a molten calcium salt for 1 hour 47 minutes 13 seconds. The mass of calcium deposited is, so here we have this simple formula. So this is based on Faraday's first law. This is from Electrochemistry chapter. So here mass of calcium, that is equal to atomic mass, atomic weight of calcium, and current in ampere, T in second, and valency of calcium means always +2, and Faraday means 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500. So substitute all these values, then we get fourth option is the right answer. Next one, the value of A in the equation lambda m is equal to lambda naught m minus, okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ question wrong ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So A into square root of concentration. So here value of A is same for ಅಂತೇಳಿ 4 options ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The value of A is same for third option NaCl and KBr, because NaCl and KBr will ionize us into Na plus Cl minus. The ratio is 1:1. The charge of cation and anion is 1:1, and KBr also, the ionizes in the ratio K plus and Br minus. So the ratio of K plus and Br is also 1:1. So that means A stands for electrolyte. So answer 3 is the correct option for this question. Next question. For the reaction A is equilibrium with B, the activation energy is 50 kilojoule per mole and enthalpy change is minus 20 kilojoule per mole. When a catalyst is added, the activation energy is decreased by 10 kilojoule per mole, 10 kilojoule per mole. Okay, fine. The activation energy for backward reaction in the presence of catalyst is, here we have the formula, the change in enthalpy is equal to activation energy for forward reaction minus activation energy for backward reaction. So here they given activation energy for forward reaction is 50 kilojoule per mole, and it is decreased when catalyst added by 10 kilojoule per mole. So that means 50 minus 10. So that means 40 kilojoule per mole. So this is the activation energy for forward reaction. They are asking activation energy for backward reaction, and they given the change in enthalpy for the reaction is minus 20 kilojoule per mole. So just simplify madidre finally we get 60 kilojoule per mole. Option 1 is the correct option. Next one, the first chlorinated organic insecticides prepared is, so that is DDT. So DDT means dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. Next question, which of the following crystal has unit cell such as A is equal to B not equal to C? So this question is from solid states chapter and deleted portion. So correct option for this question is second one, graphite. Okay, I will move on to next question. So manganese oxide exhibits, So this question is also from deleted portion topic, that is chapter name is solid state. So answer for this, manganese oxide that exhibits anti-ferromagnetism property. Next question. Okay, the number of atoms, okay, in 4.5 gram of face-centered cubic crystal means we call it as simply FCC. Its edge length is given and density is given, and Na means Avogadro number of particles. Okay, the number of atoms is asking. So this question is from solid state chapter and deleted topic. So we are using density is equal to Zm by A cube Na. Here Na stands for Avogadro number of particles, Z means atomic number, M means molar mass. So ಈ formula use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು molar mass ನ find out ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು next number of moles means we now mass weight by molar mass. So weight is given and molar mass ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get number of atoms in 4.5 gram of FCC. So ಇದು deleted topic ಆಗಿದೆ. Next question number 59. 0.48 gram of organic compound and complete combustion. So produced 0.22 gram of carbon dioxide. The percentage of carbon in the given organic compound is, okay, here we know the formula, percentage of carbon that is equal to atomic mass of carbon by molar mass of carbon dioxide into the mass of carbon dioxide produced, that is 0.22 gram, all divided by the mass of organic compound taken, that is 0.48 gram. So percentage ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 800 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so we get 12.5. So correct option is option 3. Next question and last question. In the given sequence of reaction, identify P, Q, or S respectively. Okay, here ethene is the reactant. When it reacts with some P, it gives 1,2 dibromoethane. So 1,2 dibromoethane means this is vicinal halides. So vicinal halides and this is addition reaction. No? So that means we have to take Br2, and when it followed by reactant Q, then we get dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation reaction, that is alcoholic AOH, and it is followed by NaNH2. So this is elimination 2 reaction. Then it passes to we get final product is option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you.